Guys, do you know there's one thing that you have to change inside your camera in order to get your sound quality right? Whether you're using this kind of mic or any kind of mic, I'm gonna show you how I did it on my R5. So let's follow along. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, by the way, on my channel, this is a channel all about cinematography, photography, tech reviews, and stuff of that nature. I have a lot of videos on how to create different presets in Lightroom. Also on Premiere Pro, how to basically achieve certain things. So do check some other content out. And on that note, we're gonna dive into today's topic, which is how to get the best sound quality possible from any Canon camera. In my case, I'm shooting on R5. I do have a 5D Mark III as well, which I use from time to time as well. And with the external mic, I'm gonna show you what are my settings, and I'll show you how the default setting sound versus the settings you're gonna change and the kind of impact it's gonna create. So let's get started. This is how it sounds with the auto setting on the camera. So this is straight out of the camera. I have attached mic here. I have a Rode mic, which is attached here. And this is how it's coming out of the camera, straight out of the camera. So let's change the settings and see what kind of difference it's gonna make. Okay, in the movie mode, I'm gonna go to the menu option. So as you can see, the sound recording is on automatic mode. I'm gonna hit select, and you can see this is going way past the 12 decibel. So this is like the threshold. We need to stay under 12. Otherwise your audio is gonna sound really bad. Like, you know, it's gonna start peaking and it's not gonna sound good at all. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna change this to manual, and then I'm gonna come down to this recording level, and I'm gonna keep this around this level. Now, if you see that I'm speaking and it's not going to the 12, so, you know, try to stay under that. Like if you think the audio is still very low, then you can make it a little bit higher. So the goal is again to stay under that 12 decibel points. So once you're done with that, now if you are going to use external mic or anything like that, your audio is going to sound much better as compared to before. So this is how it sounds with the settings that we have changed. So guys, if you've learned anything of value from today's video, do consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, share, provide your feedback in the comments down below so that I can keep creating more content based on your feedback. And on that note, guys, stay safe. Goodbye.